Hello everyone, welcome to week 7. This week we're going to cover module 7 and we're slowing down. We're getting toward the end of our time together. I appreciate all your effort. I know it's been difficult these last few weeks with what's going on in the world. I know I sent out many emails. Make sure you stay in communication with me in regards to due dates and limits and so forth. So if you need some further time or some further assistance, please let me know. So this week we are going to cover a couple of different things. The first thing I'd like to talk about is our discussion board. So I'd like to go ahead and go into that and talk about when it is due and what we'll be covering. So as you see in Module 7, before we talk about this, I took some notes down on marketing that I wanted to share with you. Basically answering the question, what is marketing? So marketing it's so easy to think of marketing as external advertising, the ways in which we draw in those who have never heard of our program. We draw them in. But actually, while this is definitely part of it, marketing also includes much, much more. It includes the services that we provide, the first impressions that our facility makes on individuals, our interactions, our curriculum, or their perception of all of these items, and even the smells that greet each person as they walk in the door. Perception is reality. So what the clients perceive is what becomes their reality. If on their first visit to a classroom, a parent sees the snack table that has not been wiped clean even after snack is over, or they see dirty floors or maybe smell diapers, they will conclude that this is a dirty place and sanitation is not a high priority of this program. If they see teachers huddled chatting in a classroom or outside rather than being engaged with the children, they may conclude the program is barely above babysitting level. However, if they see documentation of what the children are learning posted in strategic places throughout the classroom and exterior areas, or if they see teachers interacting with children to support their exploration, they may conclude that this would be a good place for their children to learn and be kindergarten ready. And that's what we are always striving for. So this week in our discussion board, we're going to talk a little bit about marketing. So I want you to think about your favorite place to visit as a consumer when we were able to go outside. Write a paragraph on describing this place. Now I want you to think about visiting an early childhood program using some of the criteria, the same criteria that you've given on your place of visiting. What might you expect to find or attract you to enrolling your child in a program or want you to work in this program? And I want you to write another paragraph describing that. And then you want to make sure you post your original thread by midnight on Wednesday, which is March 25th. And then you want to make sure to respond to at least 2 of your classmates, your peer posts, to get full credit by Saturday, March 38th. So that's our discussion board this week. I'll go back to our instructions. Okay, so once you've completed that, so then you want to also submit your program development plan section C by the 25th, which is Wednesday, 11:59 is the time frame. And then for your credit this week for participation points, I'd like you to peer review your program development plan on another student within the class, and this will be due by the 28th, which is Saturday, the 28th of March by 11:59 p.m. You're going to do a peer review on 2 of the sections, family and community, as well as section B, administration. So you will need to complete this via email, and the checklist that I want you to go by is provided in Module 7 under Assignments, and it says Checklist. So you're going to print one of the checklists out. You will email the completed form of these 2 sections for your participation points this week to me directly. Please work cooperatively and timely for credit. Again, for credit, you are going to submit the peer repost that you did on another student. I want to say, it will say student name and I'll have the student name, and then peer reviewed by, and that will be your name. You are going to submit those two sections on that one checklist to me no later than Saturday the 28th by 11:59 p.m. Okay, for credit. You're not going to give me yours, someone else peer reviewed, because the peer reviewer is the one getting the points this week. And then also just please continue to work on your program development plan, which is due April 1st, the last time of this course, the last day. So again, once you get your peer post review back from your student in the class, you want to look at that, and then that's when you're going to make your changes. So, and then you're going to submit the final one by April 1st. Stay warm, stay dry, stay safe. Remember, social distance, 10 feet away from everybody. If you need me, please feel free to email me. I'm available. Have a great week, and I'll see you all soon. Take care.